Hello students, let's start our next topic, that is types of fractions. Like and unlike fractions. Like fractions have the same denominators and unlike fractions have the different denominators. For example, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. These all are the members of the family of 5. We call all the fractions of the same family as like fractions, and the fractions of different families are called unlike fractions. Let's take one example. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 2, 4 by 3, 2 by 3, 9 by 8, 4 by 6. As you can see the denominators, if the same denominators will come, we'll consider it as like fractions, like 5 5 and 3 3. Denominators are same, that means these are like fractions. If the denominators are different, 5 2 8 6, these fractions will consider as unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Next is proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions are less than one whole and improper fractions are more than one whole. Let us consider a fraction 8 by 10. Here you can see 8 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. 8 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. And numerator, you can see numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Let us consider another fraction, that is 8 by 5. Here the numerator is 8, denominator is 5. Here you can see the numerator is greater than the denominator. So such fractions are called improper fractions. Improper fractions. Next one is unit fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is 1 is called a unit fraction. If the numerator is 1, that fraction is called a unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 9, 1 by 2 or 1 by 8. You can change it because we have already taken 1 by 2. Now all unit fractions are also called proper fractions. All unit fractions are called proper fractions. Next one is mixed fractions. A fraction which has a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. For example, 2 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction in which 2 is the whole number which is the integral part, and 3 by 4 is the fractional part. and you can see 2 is the whole number and 3 by 4 is the fractional part, and a fraction which has a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. 3 by 4 is called a mixed fraction. One more thing to be noted down, that is improper fractions can be written as mixed numbers. Let's solve it. You can see here, write 34 by 5 as a mixed number. Write 34 by 5 as a mixed number. Now we will change this fraction into a mixed number. To solve, write here 34 by 5. Step 1 is divide the numerator by denominator. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Now divide the numerator by denominator. Use the rough side. 5, 34, 5 6 the 30. You will get it 4 as a remainder. Okay. Now the second step is, now write the quotient as the whole number, means here, and the remainder is written as the numerator and the divisor is written as the denominator. Quotient as write the quotient as the whole number and the remainder is written as the numerator and the divisor is written as the denominator. Now write the number. Quotient is 6, remainder is 4, divisor is 5. This is our answer. This is the whole number 6 4 by 5. Now change a mixed number into an improper fraction. Change a mixed number into an improper fraction. 5 3 by 8. Now step 1 is multiply the whole number by the denominator. This is numerator, this is denominator, and 5 is the whole number. Step 1 is, first of all write it like 5 plus 3 by 8. Now you can see 5 is the whole number, 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Now multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. Now solve it. 5 is the 40 plus 3, you have to add the numerator. 40 plus 3, 43 by 8. This is the answer. Now move to the next topic, that is addition and subtraction of like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. When denominator of two or more fractions is same, we add only the numerators. The denominator remains the same. The denominator remains the same. Let's solve it. You can see here 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here numerator is 2, here numerator is 1. As you can see the denominators are same, then add only numerators. 2 plus 1, denominator will remain same. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 4 is the answer. Let's take another example. 5 by 9, 2 by 9 and 3 by 9. Here you can see they have not put the addition sign. Now the first step is to add is put a symbol of addition, that is 5 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9. Now you can see here are the denominators 9, 9, 9. All the denominators are same, add only numerators. 5 plus 2 plus 3 by 9. Add it, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. 10 by 9 is the answer. For the subtraction of like fractions is the rule which we followed in addition works here also. If the denominator is same, subtract only the numerators. Let's see the example. Now 9, here is the denominator 9, here also the denominator is 9. Subtract only numerators. 7 minus 3 upon 9. 7 minus 3, 4 by 9, answer. And here 3 by 4 from 5 by 4. Now first of all write it, 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Now you can see denominators are same, subtract only numerator. 5 minus 3, 2, denominator will remain same, 2 by 4 is the answer. Rest all the sums are same. Do it for the practice by your own. Thank you so much.